Hello friends, today I will unbox a vintage Commodore calculator. I bought it from eBay, here in a very nice leather bag. You can see it's signed Commodore. That was made before Commodore built personal computers in the 17th. The instructions, you see, Commodore electronic calculator, and it's the model 884DR. I think it's from 1973 or so. And very nice, and with a vintage instruction manual. Oops. And this is a very nice calculator with red LEDs. You will see it. Look, 12 multiplied with 12 is 144. That's correct. You can use this calculator with a 9-volt super energy battery, you see, and plug it in here. It's a battery place. And also here you can see solid state electronic calculator from Commodore, made in USA. Or you will plug in here a 9-volt AC adapter like this one here. You see? Here you can change up to 12 volts, but you only need 9 volts. But it looks so nice with the red LEDs. I like it very much. And look here. Isn't it nice? A vintage Commodore in a very, very good shape. It's from my calculator collection. Thanks for watching, my friends. And at least a little gimmick, he also can read or write something. Type the numbers 3, 8, 3, 1, 7, and then have a look. 38317, but if you turn it around, it will show in German love, love, Liebe. Isn't it nice? Bye bye.